Bumblebees, with the characteristic Latin name bombus, are a genus of hymenopterous insects that are a close relative of honeybees. The bumblebee is the most cold-resistant insect. As you can see from the above, bumblebees prefer northern regions, which is not surprising, given that they are among the most cold-resistant insects. They can heat their body to a temperature of 40 degrees Celsius, which is necessary for the full life of the insect. To do this, bumblebees use frequent and rapid contraction of the chest muscles. Thanks to their developed thermoregulation, they can fly out to collect nectar early in the morning, when the air is still too cold and other insects are still sitting in their hiding places. As a result, the first nectar goes to these frost-resistant toilers. Thanks to the cannon on its body, the bumblebee controls the temperature of its body. Another factor that contributes to maintaining a normal body temperature is a well-known, to all who have seen a bumblebee, a down on the body. Thanks to it, heat loss is reduced by half. It is interesting that during the flight about 90% of all energy is converted into heat, and therefore the flying bumblebee has a constant temperature. At an ambient air temperature of 5 degrees, the bumblebee maintains a temperature of 36 degrees, and at 35 degrees 45 degrees. For the same reason, bumblebees cannot fly at too high temperatures, they overheat. However, despite all the Nordic nature of the bumblebee, it also has a cooling mechanism. For this purpose, in flight, the bumblebee releases a drop of liquid from its mouth, which evaporates and cools the insect's head. When the bumblebee sits motionless, it is unable to maintain a high body temperature. Flying bumblebee can reach speeds of about 18 kilometers per hour. These insects do not live alone, as is commonly thought, but in colonies. Each colony consists of 50 to 200 individuals. The colony consists of 3 types of bumblebees: males, worker bees, immature females, and females. The female bumblebee starts nest building in the spring, alone. An interesting difference between bumblebees and other social bees is that all larvae are nurtured and develop in the same chamber together. If conditions are normal, the female lays 200 to 400 eggs, yielding